Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really fun mystery box unboxing. I have here my Bibbidi box, and I believe this is my December one, and it should be holiday themed if I remember correctly. I do these unboxings about every other month. If you guys are wondering what Bibbidi boxes is, it's basically a Disney subscription box service, so you can do monthly boxes through them, or it doesn't have to be monthly. You can do it whenever you want. If you want to do one for like a birthday or like a surprise, or you just want to do like a themed box, then this is really fun. They also have like Marvel, Hello Kitty, a bunch of other stuff as well, but it's one of my favorite boxes. You guys know I do a lot of subscription boxes on my channel, and this one's just a little bit different. It's not like the makeup beauty skincare stuff. It's just Disney, which I have such a love for, and this year I've got to be an ambassador with Bibbidi boxes for 2020, which was honestly such a cool thing. So they do send me these boxes to unbox. The team at Bibbidi is super kind, and I love being able to work with them and show you guys these really fun boxes for Disney lovers. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Since this is holiday themed, I actually was planning to upload this on Christmas, but then I ended up taking the whole day off, so hope you guys don't mind a little holiday spirit even a couple days after Christmas. I have on this little Christmas sweatshirt too that's from the Pulse Boutique. But yeah, I'm really excited to see what we got. I don't even know which box this is. I'm thinking this is the most expensive one, since this one is huge. It's pretty heavy, pretty stuffed full, but I'll have all the details down below. Bibbidi does have quite a few different box tiers, so there is some more expensive boxes, but there is some more affordable ones as well. So let's go ahead and get into the box. I'm gonna rip off the plastic. It's nice that they do include the plastic cover, so then you can keep these boxes since they are really pretty. As you guys can see all the designs on it, it is super gorgeous. All right, so I believe this is the Christmas one. They did include a little holiday bag as well. They did this with the Halloween box too. It was like a fun holographic one, but I guess everything did not fit in here. But you do get this kind of reusable tote, which is really nice. I still use my other one I got from them. Oh my gosh, I see exciting things, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is kind of similar to their Halloween box where it was super themed. They did exclusive items. They usually have a card and stuff. It might be at the bottom, so I'm just gonna unbox it like usual. The first thing we got is a little pin. If you guys go to the Disney parks, you know everyone wears these pins at the parks, which is super fun, and a lot of people collect them. So this one is a Scrooge pin, and it says Bah Humbug on it. Super fun. Next, I think this is a candle. Yes. Okay, let's see what we got. We got a candle, and this is from Wish's Candle Company. I got one for their Halloween box. They made exclusive ones with Bibbidi, so I don't think you can get these elsewhere, which is kind of fun that they made exclusive ones. But I love their candles because they do like glitter. This one's kind of fun. You can see the glitter, and then you can see it's like green on the inside. So we got Bah Humbug, which totally goes with our pin. Let's see if it says what this is, or the scent notes maybe, or maybe it doesn't. I don't think it does. I'll just smell it for you guys. I'm getting like a pine tree scent, so I think that's what this is. Yeah, it's kind of almost soapy pine type scent. I do like it. I love pine tree scents around Christmas time, and this is just so pretty. Look at the inside, you guys. Like bright green glitter. Okay, so I cannot wait to burn that. Really excited. I love getting candles in these boxes. It's so much fun. This is a 1-wick candle, soy wax, so it is a little bit better for you than like a paraffin wax. And then we got a shirt. Look how cute. This feels like a really nice quality shirt too. I don't know if Bibbidi made these or if a certain vendor made them for Bibbidi, but I'm assuming these are exclusive to the boxes. But this shirt feels super comfortable. It's kind of like a vintage style, super soft. Sometimes, you know, t-shirts, they feel like really thin and not the best quality, but this one feels really good. So this one says Very Merry on it, kind of like the Very Merry Christmas Party. The back says Once Upon a Christmas Time at Christmas. I don't know if that's from something. I'll have to look it up. But super cute. I love the design. It has a little Mickey ears on it. There's some hidden Mickeys on the shirt. So I love this. And there's like a little caramel apple down there too. This is adorable. Obsessed with that. Looks like this lyric that's on the back is actually like a Disney record. So maybe it's something from one of their older movies or something like that. Or maybe they play that at the Very Merry Christmas Party, which I've never been. So I do not know, but that's really cool. All right, it looks like, what is this? This says Loungefly on it. And I'm thinking this is ears. I was like, what is that? Usually Loungefly makes like the bags and like wallets and stuff, but I could fill ears in here. Let's see. Oh, these are so pretty. So Loungefly, I don't know if they've recently just started making ears, but these look really nice. Honestly, they look better than like the park ears. Look how cute. You guys, I have to go to Disney Christmas sometime in the next few years. We are gonna make it happen, and I have to wear these ears there. These are the cutest things ever. So it's almost like a leather material. It has little Mickey cookies on it. These are everything. And then it's like a velvety bow. Oh my god, so cute. Sorry, I have a little tag. We'll try to hide that. Yeah, these are cute. All right, the next thing, I think that this is a blanket because I know they were behind on these. But this looks so nice. So this is why my box was a little bit later. But this looks so cute. Let me go ahead and open it. Wow, this is really nice. Oh my goodness. So it's a huge Christmas exclusive blanket. It says Bibbidi on it. So, oh my gosh, this is so nice. So I definitely am going to have this out at the holidays. I just have plain blankets, so this will be nice to use as like my holiday decor and stuff. And I'll totally use this now too. But it's so pretty. It has like a mint green background. And then there's little Mickey gingerbread cookies. There's a little Christmas truck. And then the back, you guys, it's Sherpa. It's a Sherpa blanket. How cute. Wow. This is so nice. I am very excited. It feels really good. A nice, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. Very nice material. So they did such a good job with these custom products for this box. Wow, this is amazing. I didn't get a card or anything, so I have no idea which box this is. I'm just on their website right now. They do still have their holiday shop open. It looks like if you guys want to purchase any holiday stuff, you could totally use for next year. There is a box, the Very Bibbidi Christmas box, that has the blanket. It also includes a couple other things, but not the exact items that I got. You can also buy the blanket on its own. It's $45 if that interests you. Just scrolling through here. There's that shirt I got. The Very Merry Christmas Party box has the shirt that I got. Oh, and then I see the ears I got in this one. So you guys can definitely browse through these if there was anything that you were interested in. But I think this is probably the ultimate magic box, and I just got kind of a random assortment of things is going to be my guess. But I'll have everything linked down below if you guys want to check it out. If you guys do decide to subscribe to any of Bibbidi's boxes, you can use the code LEAHJANAE for $7 off of your first box. But I always love it around the holiday times. Like their Halloween ones, their Christmas ones are always the best. But you can do them any other time of the year too. You could totally like customize your box. Every month they have like a wish list. You can add items to your wish list that you're wanting. If you're wanting exclusive Disney merch, park exclusive stuff that you can't get on the Disney website, you can totally ask for that. You could do like a whole theme if you just wanted like a Pocahontas box, all that. It's such a fun subscription service, one of the best out there. And this box was super cute. I absolutely loved everything. Probably one of my favorite boxes to date. So that is going to be it for this fun Disney Christmas mystery box unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.